Look, the ingredients that we're gonna need for this specific cocktail will be
cilantro, tomato, and avocado, and ketchup and shrimp.
yeah, lots of ketchup. Remember that, guys. Lots of ketchup.
You get your cooked shrimp,
Or you can cook it yourself.
yeah, or you can cook it yourself, and then you thaw it with hot water. But we already did that here, so if it does have this, you should probably just take it out. You know, all this shrimp.
Where the fuck did you get the bones from?
The shrimp. Okay, so we just.
Yes.
Most of the time, the shrimp will already be like completely peeled, but in this case, the tails were still here, so we're just taking these out. So, you know, you're just gonna wanna dice these up.
I'll be right here. Ketchup is tomato.
Tomato paste. Kind of. Alright.
Now, for our special ingredient.
You get the cold ketchup. That wasn't the freeze. Do that.
It's going to wow, guys.
I'm so glad I didn't start myself.
Yes, guys, you're gonna basically use the whole ketchup, maybe 2 ketchups. In this case,
For now, I'm doing that.
here.
Don't forget about the avocado. Now, if you want, you could add more ingredients.
Like onions?
Like more avocado.
Oh no. I thought you said if you like.
If you like avocado, you can go ahead and add that. Now, it's better
To use a damn spoon.
to use a damn spoon instead of a picture of your hand.
See how easy that is, guys? Much cleaner too. Even though he washed his hands still, you never know what bacteria there is. Just to do that.
Now we can give Beto the food he wanted.
I prefer you guys to eat it yourself, don't make it for anyone, because they don't deserve it. This is very unfair.
Hey Beto.
Yeah,
Here.
it's already done.
Yeah.
Take that one. Pretty good, but
This also goes good with crackers.
I'm sorry, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got it.
No, that's a deal. I know that very well.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Do you really?
Why do you do it?
Because officer, I love it. Get up. Hands in the head. Hands in the head. Go. Go. Stop. Get down.
Don't you dare.
No! I warned you.